Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a crafting weekend. Today, this is the freebie. It's a background, it's got loads of flowers and is a tone of blue, pink and gold. So I don't know if you can see it, but there is some gold flowers on the back. Two of my favorite flowers, lilies and daisies, and of course a lot of roses and pink. So this kit here has been designed from this page here, which is one of my popular digital papers that are available on my website. It's called hold on a minute, Shades of Blue Backgrounds. So, and it's a kit that's got, it's basically blues in different colors and different shades, sorry, and in different styles. So you got a flowers page, a geometric page. This reminds me of tiles in Italy. It's another floral, small scale floral, another kind of like geometric tile background. I love these. This reminds me of sweet wrapping paper. I don't know why, but it's like mini flowers. Some parsley, and then this one, which is my favorite in the entire kit. Love. These are fabulous background pages that again you can use for like card making or journals, but yeah, it's one of my favorite kit. So yeah, today you get this one here. As usual guys, two ways to get my freebie. Way number one is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number two, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go, so I will meet you on my Facebook group. It's a very interactive platform. I really recommend you guys join in there because you can download all the freebies, and of course all the freebies that I will be sharing in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, I'll meet you there. Guys, if you don't mind, before you leave, please consider leaving a big thumbs up. It really support with my journey on YouTube, because every time you guys interact with me, you tell YouTube how much you love what I made, and it really support my presence here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.